So if you're a girl on a budget and you wish to have a T3 but you can't afford it right now, I'm telling you, you can definitely get a refurbished T3. Yes, I said a refurbished T3 curler. And you know, you can just give it a try and see if you love it. And I hope you do, just like I do. So if you'd like to see how I achieve these beautiful luscious, ooh, these curls are eating down. If you'd like to see how I achieve these curls, so I'm gonna put that on the third setting. So I believe it blinks when it's on. And I've already washed my hair, I've blow dried it, so we're just gonna get right into the curling. But let's just wait for it. Wow, it heats up really fast. This is good. And I'm just gonna leave it on for just a few seconds. Be very careful when using hot tools because you can easily burn yourself, especially when you're curling on your head. So usually when I'm curling my wigs, I like to curl on the mannequin, but I would like to show you guys how I use this curling iron and also how easy it is for you to be able to use it. So I'm able to hold this tip right here, which is very convenient for me because my other curling iron, the tip is plastic but it gets really hot, and I like the fact that this curling iron is hot but I'm still able to touch the tip of it. Again, I'm just gonna hold it so it cools down. This is really hot, even though it's on the third setting. It's hot. Let that one go as well. I'm just gonna hold it in again, and don't start from the tip. Just start from the roots and then feed your head in slowly so that you don't burn the hair. I mean, I love how smoothly it glides on the hair for me. So yeah, again, if you're a girl on a budget but you would like to get a nice quality curling iron, I believe this one is good. I love how smooth the curls are on these curling iron right here. It's so pretty, and this is my first time using it, and I love how the curls are looking nice and shiny already. As you saw, I didn't even use any products yet. I'm going to put a little bit of holding spray when I'm done. And I'm giving you guys my honest opinion on this curling iron. I bought it with my own money, so I have to give my most honest opinion. Right? We're not faking anything over here. Again, carefully away from my face. Wow, this is so... Do you guys see how smooth, like, it's making the hair? I don't think any of my curling irons has curled, like given me such a beautiful curls before. Like, seriously, look at that. Look at the sheen. Like compared to this side, look at the sheen that it's giving. Like look at the sheen compared to this side of the hair. So, wow. And it's so hard curling your own hair. Like, don't let anybody fool you. Seriously. It's really hard curling your own hair on your head and especially on a camera. Some people may make it look really easy, but trust me, it's not. But this curling iron, I swear to you guys, it's making it so much easy for me. I'm telling you. It's making it so much easy for me. And be very careful. And be very mindful so you don't burn yourself. Please. See how that glides off easily? It's like the way the curling iron is coated, it makes it just easy to just glide onto the hair whilst you curl. Like it just glides so much easy. I've been a hairstylist since 2013, and I know exactly what I'm saying. The glide on this one is just so different. Like it gives it like a nice sheen, and it makes it so much easy to use. I haven't used it on any client yet because I wanted to make this video first, and then I'm going to try, but I'm sure it will even be easier if I'm using this on a client. So yeah, I love this. Like so far, I'm loving this curling iron, as you guys can see. The only thing about this curling iron that I've noticed is that you have to wipe it down anytime after each use. Like it gets stained easily, so you have to wipe it down. But do not use. I've seen some people using relaxer. I've also seen some people use alcohol, but please don't do that. So to give my curls more long-lasting hold, I'm going to use this holding spray. I'm using the Sebastian one, and I believe you can get this one from Walmart or Target. It holds without making it crunchy, and I love this so much. Please protect your eyes or cover your eyes whilst you're spraying any product onto your hair, because you can easily get it into your eyes, and I've I've gotten product into my eyes so many. So this is how the curls are looking. I'm just going to let it cool whilst I do my makeup quick, and then I'll show you guys the finished look. So right here, I'm just using this smoothing styling brush, and I'm just going to use that to brush everything in place. And after, I'm just going to hit it with a little hairspray, and that's about it. Nothing too much, just quick and easy. That's about it. And I'm just gonna keep using my hands to also fluff it out so it can be nice and goes into the directions that I want. Just keep playing with it, you know, to achieve the exactly the look that I'm going for. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you love these curls, and I hope maybe you might get the curling iron and try it as well. Yeah, these are so pretty. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Bye y'all.